We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you gotta do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to make some money. I'm ready to make some money right now. Let's go ahead and hit dash now. I wonder what the first order gonna be. Only time will tell. Now, I am parked right here next to Walgreens, Bubba Cool's Burritos. We got a tropical smoothie, Little Caesars Pizza. So we definitely do have merchants right here. It's not a super busy time of day. This is gonna be day number 3 of me accepting every order, quote unquote. Yesterday, I ended up declining like 4 or 5 orders. Now, I guess I'm not taking every order. Look, I'm doing my best. There is no way I can do back-to-back long distance deliveries, especially if the money is not there and it don't make sense. Now, DoorDash recently reset my acceptance rate, so I came into this challenge really trying to accept every single order. I mean, I was really giving it my all. On day 1, I took every single order. No tip, long distance, upside down, and I didn't get back-to-back out of zone orders. But yesterday I did. And you know what? I had to think. I said, you know what? Is it really worth accepting every single order if I get sent outside of my zone 10, 20 plus miles? Yesterday I had a 30-mile round trip for $9. Broke my soul. I'm talking about I basically wasted an hour of my life. So, you know, I'm really trying my best not to encounter anything like that. You know, 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, I'm gonna take that. If it's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, I will be taking it. Upside down offers, I do not want to take them. But as long as they ain't going 10 miles, 12 miles, 15 miles, I'll try to stomach them. We really only need to get 10 orders done, guys. That's the goal. We haven't even had a day where we got more than 10 orders done yet because they've been so atrocious that I just been pushing myself to get these 10 deliveries done. So, you know, I'm gonna check back with you guys when we get the first one. This thing ain't went off yet. But I know what to do. Park by the busy spots. And if all else fails, you drive to Chick-fil-A. I'm picking up an order for Sam.
Go ahead and pull around. I just finished putting it together for you. 1 and 2.
Y'all don't got no carriers?
I'm sorry?
Y'all don't got no drink holders?
Oh, yeah. Give me just one. Here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. All right. Wow. What a way to start the shift, guys. We got $4 for 6 miles. You can just see the excitement in my face right now. You can just see the excitement in my face. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this dropped off. Ooh-wee. I see we gonna be off to a rough shift today. I can already see it. This is the total for that first offer right here. No tip, 6 miles away, no tip. But it gets even better. Check out this next order I just got. Order number 2, let's make it do what it do. I guess we going 6 miles away again. You know what? I guess it could be worse. You know, I could be going 12 miles away for $4, you know? So if that first one was a no-tip offer, this is probably a no-tip offer as well. Not looking too good, y'all. It's not looking too good. That first order took me 30 minutes to complete. Absolutely crazy. I don't know why I did it. How you doing? You got one for Courtney?
Okay, it's over here.
Look at this. You got any stickers back there?
Yeah, of course.
Let me slap a sticker on top of this single drink that I'm picking up. No, it do. I just want to get the straw sticker down.
Okay.
I ain't trying to be scrambling around for a straw.
No, you're good. Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
Yeah, have a good one.
Alrighty. Check it out, guys. We are delivering one smoothie 7 miles away. These customers are crazy. Okay? But you know what? I'm even crazier because I accepted it and I agreed to do it. So you know what? It's on me. If I had to guess, this probably costs $7. Smoothie probably costs $7. I'm driving it 7 miles away, and I'm gonna make $4. So you know, shout out to the American capitalistic system for allowing me the opportunity to make $4 on a 7-mile trip. I mean, because you know these people absolutely need this smoothie. You know that they need this. They would not have made whatever they trying to do, they wouldn't have made it if they didn't have this smoothie. So you know what, with that in mind, I'm gonna take some solace in the fact that I'm helping this customer achieve their goals of being up one smoothie for the afternoon. Because at this point, that's really all I can do. That's really all I can do. Because I'm about to be at $8 for 24 miles. These clowns then ordered one smoothie. 6 miles, $4. Watch it be no tip. Well, I guess it's $4.50 for 6 miles, so it might be $1 tip. Boy, these people is clowns, man. Absolutely crazy. Look at this. That was actually a $2.50 tip. I feel bad. I feel bad now because I didn't set it all the way at their front door. They tipped $2.50. They ordered from 6 miles away, and I didn't sit it at the door. I feel bad now. Well, guess what? They're gonna have to deal with it. They got me messed up. I don't care about that $2. I do not. All that mean is I was the first dumbass to accept it. This order should have been at least $10. These people dumb as hell, boy. All right, so we got 2 orders done. We sitting at $8.50. They better send me something quick too, boy. What the hell? This is what I be talking about right here. These customers, boy, they don't even got no common sense. I done been out here for 40 minutes, drove 24 miles, and made $8. Dumb as hell, extra stupid ass. We at 85%. Good God, and you know they gonna send me something extra dumb next, man. I'm probably gonna be at friggin' 70% after this next decline, man. This is crazy. Let me head up here to Chick-fil-A. Maybe we have better luck up there. Yep, you see it. Order number 3. 50 for 10.7 miles, man. Hell nah. I know I said I was gonna do the long distance orders if they wasn't upside down, 1-to-1. But you know what? I just got done eating lunch and I changed my damn mind. Look. Nah, I just spent $15 on this Buffalo Wild Wings. Now I could have made $11 of it back. Nah, man, I need one good offer. I need a good offer to get me going. Look. So look, we didn't make it today either. We had to decline one. I guess this is just the simple reality of being a DoorDash driver, trying to accept all orders. If you got any type of brain on your shoulders, at some point you ain't gonna be able to accept. You ain't even gonna be able to make it to 10 orders if you smart. Because I can't do. I did 2 $4 orders that was going 6 miles away, and I know some people would say, "Well, hey trader, that order was better than the first 2 you took." And you know what? I would say you are a clown, because even though it's paying more, it's going twice as far. And you're gonna say, well, hey, the first 2 orders was upside down and you took those. And I thought I was doing good. I thought if I just go ahead and get these out of the way, the next orders can't be as bad. That's what I was thinking. Nope. That's what you get for using your brain and trying to make it make sense. It's never gonna make sense. Pick up the order and drop it off. This is why we should never be accepting every order. Even when you try, it's gonna be bad. It's just gonna be bad. So, you know, we did 2 orders, we declined 1. You saw it right there. We went from an 85 to a 82. Ain't nothing I can do about it, because I'm not going. I would literally sit here. I'm not going 10 miles away for them to tell me that I cannot switch zones. Then I'm gonna have to drive all the way back. That's a whole hour, y'all. I'm not doing it. That's a whole hour. All right, guys. I officially give up. I officially give up as of right now. We got $8.50 for 11 miles, y'all. $8.50 for 11 miles. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy, y'all. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. No, I'm 79%. It is what it is. I'm not doing it. I refuse. They just sending me all the bad offers, y'all. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Because it ain't no reason why they should only send me 10-mile deliveries or orders that's, you know, upside down. They doing this shit on purpose. They definitely is. And I ain't having none of it at all. I'm about to go over here by Chick-fil-A. And you know what? I'm about to just go ahead and end this series right now. I'm about to end this series. I'm not accepting every order no more. I'm just gonna name this series Doing My Best. Because at this point, that's really all I'm doing. I'm doing my very best. Because I ain't. After what happened yesterday, the audacity for them to even send me orders with that kind of mileage on it, they got me all the way messed up. Man, this is why people be quitting DoorDash. This is why right here. How are you supposed to be a platinum dasher getting orders like this? How are you supposed to feed your family making less money than the amount of miles that you driving? How are you supposed to keep your sanity knowing that these customers are straight up clowns and DoorDash just allowed them to order? No matter if it's at the driver's detriment, no matter if the orders sit there for hours, it's just bad. It's just bad, man. I'm telling you, this is crazy. 875, 11 miles. This is crazy, y'all. They literally only sending me the bad orders. Ah, man. They only sending me the bad orders, y'all. This is a scam. DoorDash is a scam. Oh, just decline the bad orders. Just decline them. I did. $8.75 for 11 miles. $8.50 for 11 miles. $11.50 for 10 miles. This is dumb. This is dumb. I keep trying to come out here and do 10 orders. I keep trying my best. This is dumb, man. I even took the first 2 bad ones. And they still sent me 3 more bad ones. I don't even know why I'm getting mad about it. I don't even know why I'm getting mad about it because I know this is how they operate. I know this is how they operate. Straight up trash. I'm about to end my dash because this is trash. I'm about to go to earn by time. Because at this point, it don't matter. At this point, it do not matter. Like, it don't. Like, at this point, it don't matter. I'm done.